Gagampanan ang ginoong hindi ka susukuan, si Leandro Flores. Tingnan natin ang masibalong palakpakan, Joseph Marco. Leandro is finally here. Leandro, gusto mo bang magbigay ng pagbate para sa ating mga kasama ngayon?
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat at sinamahan niyo kami ngayong hapon. And of course, welcome to the official launching of the TV series I Love You Since 1892. Ready na ba kayo? Sabay-sabay natin ipaglaban ang ating pagmamahal.
There we go, Joseph. Stay ka muna dyan for a quick photo opportunity. There we go, Leandro Flores is finally here. Of course, Joseph Marco, ang ginoong hindi ka susuko.
Direk, I'm privileged and honored, especially kaka-sign up ko lang sa Viva. Wala pang 2 weeks and they gave me this project. At this point of my career, ito yung mga project na, I mean, as an artist, dito ko na-high. When I get to really change my look, change my personality. And yeah, I've been prepping for 2 months and I'm very passionate about this project. I feel so lucky. And yeah, araw-araw kong kapiling si Leandro. Unti-unti ko siyang kinikilala. And yeah, I'm just really excited to be working with great talents, especially first time working with Direk and Heaven Jerome. And of course, I'm gonna give credit to Binibining Mia, napakagaling ng pagsulat ng libro. Nung binabasa ko yung libro, I finished the book. Nung binabasa ko yung libro, sabi ko, grabe yung imagination ng batang to. Napakagaling. So yeah, I'm just very thankful for this project.